Looking for a dependable VGA cable that handles high-resolution video with ease? The C2G Select VGA video cable supports stunning resolutions up to QXGA 2048 by 1536, making it ideal for both home desktop setups and commercial in-wall installations. It's designed to deliver crisp, clear visuals every time. What sets this cable apart is its CMG-rated jacket, specifically built for safe in-wall use. This means you can run it behind walls without worrying about safety codes or durability. Plus, its low profile, rounded connectors fit snugly into tight spaces, like projector mounts or crowded AV racks, simplifying your setup process. Beyond durability and design, this cable supports all 15 pins wired to handle DDC2, EDDC, and Extended Display Identification Data, EDID. That's technical speak for seamless communication between your source device and display, ensuring the best possible resolution and color accuracy without manual adjustments. I've seen plenty of VGA cables over the years, and many fail because they're cheaply made or don't support the full signal range. The C2G Select cable feels solid and built to last. One user shared how previous cables broke down quickly, but this one stands up to daily use, proving its quality and reliability. It's also capable of maintaining high-resolution video over distances up to 150 feet. That's a big plus if you need to connect devices across a room or between rooms without sacrificing image quality. Whether you're setting up a conference room or enhancing your home theater, this cable delivers consistent performance. If you want a cable that combines safety, durability, and top-tier video support, this is worth a look. The CMG jacket protects your investment and the low-profile connectors make installation hassle-free. You get reliable, high-res video that just works, no fuss, no guesswork. Ready to upgrade your video connections with a cable that meets professional standards? The C2G Select VGA video cable offers the peace of mind you need for in-wall or desktop setups. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free, high-quality video transmission.